Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Everybody is not very sure of shaving. मैंने काफी बार पढ़ा है because we all believe in these myths. And to be honest, एक time ऐसा भी था when I never used to believe in shaving. I used to only go for waxing because मुझे ऐसा था कि वही best है. But then COVID happened and then we had to try so many things by ourselves. So the first thing I tried was this cold wax from wheat. एंड अगर आपको ठीक से नहीं करना आता हो या आपको नहीं पता कि कैसे पुल करना है तो इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड समटाइम्स वेरी चिप ऑल्सो. तो दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट थिंग आई ट्राइड एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक आई रियली कांट डू दिस. देन आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग एपिलेटर्स. आई ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो अबाउट एंड आई स्टिल लव यूजिंग एपिलेटर्स. But then during that time I also tried using razors, even though सब लोग कहते हैं कि डार्क हेयर आएंगे या जल्दी आ जाएंगे and stuff like that, जितने भी myths है, and to be honest वो सब झूठ है क्योंकि I tried using razors during the COVID and trust me nothing happened and I feel it's the most amazing method. अगर आपको quick कुछ भी चाहिए, अगर आपको painless चाहिए तो उससे better कुछ भी नहीं है. And today I'm going to take you through this really affordable trimmer. So basically when I made a video about the epilator, everybody was like it is so expensive, we need something which is very affordable, and I understand not everybody wants to buy such an expensive product, especially for a hair removal method. So today I have something very affordable for you guys. So if you want to know, all you have to do is keep on watching this video. So this is my most favorite trimmer, razor, whatever you want to call it. This is the Agaro FT2001 female groomer and this is such an amazing product. This is waterproof, तो आप आराम से इसे शाम में यूज कर सकते हो. In case you don't want to, आप dry और wet skin दोनों भी कर सकते हो. This got a battery, so that is why it's different from the normal razors you see. And this got this rose plated blade. Really love this one. Let me take you through some amazing things this razor got, and trust me, this is the most affordable trimmer you'll see in the market and also very effective. The best part about the Agaro is like you'll see some amazing products on their website. They're very affordable, which I love because of course we don't want to spend too much money, but these products are very good also. आप उनको किसी भी high end product से compare करोगे ना तो they give you same results and that's what I love about them. So when it comes to anything new, I want to try out their products because they're really nice. So this one is something which is very affordable, very amazing. So let me take you through it. Got a rechargeable battery, lasts up to 2 hours, one click, and you can use it on both dry and wet skin. It got 18 karat rose gold coated blade, ensures that blade doesn't get in any form of rusting very easily. This also got 2 heads, so whenever you have like really long hair you can use this one. This also got 2 trimmer heads. Suppose you have very heavy growth in your sensitive areas, then you can't just directly go with razor, right? Then you can use these trimmer heads on the heavy growth and then later you can shave it. Got a bi-directional head also, which is best for your sensitive areas like underarms, ankles and knees. IPX5 waterproof makes it perfect for showers. This also comes with this nice cleaning brush, so after use you can just clean it up and keep it back. So this is priced at 1500 rupees only, and when I say only, trust me, it got some amazing things and this is going to last you for really long. You can charge it and it's amazing. Your skin feels very smooth and nice, but make sure you use a moisturizer or a body oil after using this. And this body groomer you can use literally anywhere, legs, your underarms, even in your bikini areas, and it's super safe. So yes, I hope this video was really helpful and I hope you got your favorite razor, whatever you were looking for. I'm gonna give you the link in the description box below, and make sure that you like this video, comment down below. If you have any questions related to this product, I'm gonna reply you. So please ask me anything in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.